y'all can hear, and welcome to Party Hard. So, first, I'm happy about this game because, hold on. Just making sure y'all can hear me. Okay, so, first of all, I'm happy about it because they have like a YouTube mode, so I don't have to worry about copyright on the music. But I saw this game a long time ago, and I never got a chance to play it. I was in college. I never got a chance to see it. And Party Hard 2, not coming out soon, is actually already out. So I'm actually really looking forward to this. The first and second one, so I gotta play catch up.
My name is Inspector John West.
Take your time, Mr. West. Deep breaths. You want a drink?
Whiskey. Hold the rocks.
Hold the rocks. Hilarious, Mr. West.
Fuck you.
That's what I'm trying to be funny.
Inspector John West. I was the officer in command of the Party Hard killings.
Can you describe to me exactly what the Party Hard killings were?
They were a series of murders strung across the U.S. during the autumn break of 2000, exclusively taking place in and around house parties, rooftop parties, cruise parties, you name it. This guy was there, stabbing his way through the crowds.
Stab you.
And what was the motive, Mr. West?
The best motive ever.
This guy, he just wanted some peace and quiet.
Maybe you should start from the beginning, Inspector. It might give us a better idea of where this all went so wrong.
It went wrong because people party too much. I'm tired, and yet y'all kept having your parties and everything. Now I played this part, but my gang got weird. It's fine though. We know what we gotta do. Murder. 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 Murder.
One of my officers responded to a call near North Beach. It was the end of April, so typically a bunch of the college kids in the area were getting hammered instead of prepping for their finals. If only the stupid bastards knew.
I know, right? That's why I don't go to parties. I stay away. I stay away. Alright, we're down here. That's a bad sign. I'm sneezing. Oh God. Anyway. I could get this guy maybe. Aha! There you go. Oh. Ooh. Well, I don't gotta worry about the front no more. Like, I literally saw that car. I'm like, I know spacebar, you gotta interact with stuff, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go in here. Okay, there are people in here. Why the cock gotta be needed? I know, right? Heck yeah. So, I wouldn't recommend going to the bathroom. It's kind of hazardous at the moment. Oh, yeah, you're going in here? I don't know what that's going to do for me, but I'm trying it. Make a call. Uh-oh. make a call. Are you gassing the people in there? Oh my eye, Jesus. Oh, well, yep, they're dead. Yep, yeah, they're dead. They're dead. I'm happy I wasn't in there. Uh-oh, he's going in there. I didn't do it. I'm right here. I was right here. I didn't do it. I was just chilling. You have no evidence. So how's everybody doing? Enjoying the party? I'm enjoying the party. Is that Jack from YouTube? Is that Jack? He got the green hair. Like, look, that green hair. Sorry, Jack. Don't worry, I'll take care of you. Uh-oh. I don't think that's the way it was supposed to go. I think I've made a critical error. Bro, I need you to talk to me. Hey, how's it going, guys? How's it going? People are dying, but don't mind me. Y'all want a drink? Come get a drink. This is like the only level I've played. But I don't remember the fight. I don't remember the gas people coming. Like after this level, I couldn't play it no more. So I'm actually happy to finally be able to play the full version. Picked the wrong time to go to the bathroom. Yeah, bro, there's crime everywhere. Like, man. Wait, what? I'm not the killer! I'm not the killer! I didn't do anything. No! Okay, he gave up. Good. I'm pissed off now. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm in here. What was that? Is Mario doing what I... Yeah, I knew it, yeah. I never got caught by the police, and I see why. Or, I never escaped the police, and I see why. You lose your hidden places you can go. And he just goes into the toilet, calls it a day. Okay, now I need to figure out how I'm gonna kill the rest of them. Excuse me, sir. You got a moment? I need you to shut up for a minute. Oh, trust me, the cops are aware of that dead body, but, uh-oh. Uh-oh. I didn't do it. I'm in here. I'm gonna just stay in here. So is everybody okay? Enjoying the party? I know it's okay to feel a little bit paranoid because there's a killer on the loose, and that's not good. How's it going, dude? So, everybody just boogieing it now. How am I gonna kill these people? Like, I'm just sitting here contemplating, how am I gonna kill you? Oh, wait. Nope, not yet. Just a couple. Excuse me, miss. Hi, you got a second? I need you to die. Thank you. Pleasure doing business with you. Anybody else want to deviate from the pack? Don't I got a dance button? I forgot. Or not that I forgot. Well, I guess I did forget because I don't know it. Oh, there we go. Yay! I want them to leave. I just need them to leave. I'll be golden. This is kind of not sad, but sad, cause I need y'all to leave. Okay, let's figure my options here. If I attempt to kill one of them, I need an escape route. So let's figure out an escape route first. The window is not an option, apparently. And the only way they can call the cops is either going down or going up, so I guess I'm gonna have to be ballsy in a minute. Wait, where you going? Are you leaving? Oh shit. Alright, about that, he's gonna see the body. You gotta move. Where's he going? Bro, where you going? Oh, bro. Listen. Shut up. Our paranoid friend is dead. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Okay. Anybody want to deviate from the pack? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's okay. See, if I could just rely on them to go down, this could work. But I just feel like it won't, especially by the time the police show up. Screw it. No. Excuse me, miss. Yes, it worked. Oh, you're so dead. Get out of here. Oh, that worked. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that worked. Oh. I thought that had
You
failed.
arrived at the scene after the assailant had fled, correct?
A little after 3 a.m., yeah.
Were you aware of his current mental state at the time, Mr. West?
His mental state?
His confusion, the blood dripping from his hands, like someone else was driving him forward, yet a bright light leading him onwards.
I heard that bright light, as you so eloquently put it, was just a bunch of biker trash scumbags in search of lost souls. Guess he must have hitched a ride with them somehow.
Perhaps it was when they realized that the party was already dead. Excuse the pun. Speaking of dead, wasn't your daughter Katie at that party, Mr. West?
Seeing her blood zigzagging between those bathroom tiles, it was like a sledgehammer using my stomach as a welcome mat, drowning without water. Jesus. She was so messed up that I couldn't even ID the body.
Sorry about that. Sorry, I didn't technically mean to, but then I did, and it's a complicated situation, okay? We'll do two at a time. Or try to do two. Alright, let's check out this biker party they got us in. Let's see, we got some sleepers, we have some waiters, we got stuff. I'm gonna kill the sleepers. Alright, sleepers are dead. Now I could try to kill them, but I feel like this is gonna go south. So I'm not going to risk it. If anything, I need to get away. I know somebody knows that these people are dead. To do some hit and run. Yeah, see? Get away as far as possible. Not yet. What's in here? Ooh, can you get the truck? Yes. Okay. What the? Excuse me. This little makeout session, it has to stop. Very closed. I just picked up a suitcase. What did I do? Okay, they're seeing a dead body, so we gotta be patient. We gotta be a little bit patient. Let's drug the food, okay? I'm just chilling. I'm over here if y'all didn't know. I'm just chilling until... Come on, everybody, get your drinks. Everybody don't want to get a drink. Hey waiter. Uh-oh, don't run me over. Oh yeah, the party is scattering. Oh my god, what happened outside? Who? That dude beat the hell out of them. And you're under arrest. Wow. Okay, I gotta get out the way or I get run over. I don't want to get ran over. Wow. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, that scared me. People are still dying. I'm trying to get at the... Ah! Don't get... No! Oh no, I got ran over. Dead. I was trying to avoid that. But it was unavoidable for some reason, because everybody was dying left and right, and I desperately didn't want some jackhole point a finger at me. God damn it. Hey guys. Chaos and confusion. So much chaos. All the confusion is maddening. No, not yet, because they need people coming. Two of your friendly officers are dead. Oh, see the other body. See, that's the problem. Everybody was seeing bodies left and right, and I didn't want to get in trouble. So let me try to get out of the way. No, nobody move. Damn it, that one guy moved. He wasn't supposed to move. I am close to a victim. Not me, I didn't do it. Oh, okay, cool. I thought they were gonna blame me. Like, hey, he did it. I didn't do nothing. I was just sitting here, relaxing, chilling. Like, are you guys chilling? Y'all need to chill. Okay. All right, I have a bomb. All right, I'm gone. Oh God. Okay, I'm gone. Whoa. SWAT's here. The SWAT's here. And they wrecking everybody. So I don't want to get caught up in that. This could work it out in my favor that I can kill when they knock somebody out, but I have to be careful. involved with that, because I kind of feel like I'll get my butt whooped. So yeah, like, dude, this dude just passed out. Stay dead. I wish I could boost up my stamina, but Jesus. Okay, how long you guys are gonna be here? Uh-oh. Oh, no! Okay, he's going back. Oh, I thought he saw me. I thought I was gone or just straight gone. That would have sucked. Can the SWAT guys go away? Are they just gonna just be here just to be here forever? Maybe. Let me see if I can do some things. Some very, very bad things. Oh, wait. A lot of people right there. Wait, where's SWAT? They kind of just stopped. Let me poison the drinks. I'll get some stuff started. Oh, they're leaving. Awesome. Perfect timing. Okay. I almost murdered that guy, and I'm happy I didn't. Alright, who can I call? What is he about to do? Planting another bomb. God damn it, now SWAT coming back. Well, all you kind of did was murder yourself, and I mean, I'm not gonna fault you for that. Did you arrest him because you thought he did it? Oh wait, get away from the body. We got some snitches here. Calm down, take a drink. There you go, take a drink, because everybody, you seem a little tense. There you go. Everybody's tense. Calm down. Relax. You're gonna die. I'm just sitting here just enjoying the party, like how everybody else should be enjoying the party. I still got my trusted horse that I can just use to kick the hell out of people. And he's dead. Why, you're not gonna notice your friend's body just laying there? Okay. You got the okay, can't do that yet. Thank you. Get back in there. There you go. You blamed her! That's one of the couples! Awesome. Oh, that's so awesome. I didn't do nothing. Y'all blaming each other. Y'all doing my job for me. Just take care of each other. He did it, she did it. I'm just over here behind the garage smoking. Okay. I think everything's a little bit died down a little bit. Ha ha ha, pun intended. Die. Can someone get that thing out of here? What thing? Oh, the little diamond thing. I didn't do it. I did not do it, officer. Alright. Hey, buddy, you gotta become a victim. Alrighty. I'm in the bar. how long will it lay out here? As long as it needs to. Murder the chickens, murder the chickens, murder the chickens. Woo! Alrighty. It's only 4 left. The exact number I like to see. Well, sir, where you going? So I can kill you. You're alone. What the? There's a jouster down there. Is he on a ram? Okay. Let me see if I can discreetly kill them. Okay, got one. Sir, listen, I know you're nervous, but let me talk to you. Your pain is over. It's all over with y'all. I own this party. Alrighty.
They took me off the case after what happened with Katie. But let's just say I was keeping up to speed by other means. Once the ranch massacre happened, my colleagues were more than happy to unofficially keep me informed. It seemed obvious to me that this was just the beginning, and I had Las Vegas down as one of the contenders for the next attack. Of course, the problem is that Las Vegas is one hell of a landmass to keep a watchful eye over. The kicker is that he was spotted leaving the scene on a shuttle bus. A goddamn bus.
So you're saying the perpetrator was calm even after what he'd just done?
I'm saying this guy was a fucking psycho.
Please, Mr. West, try to stay professional.
Professional.
You're a funny guy. Either way, I still don't know how he evaded the entire police force descending down on him. It was
Easy.
like the devil was on his side.
I'm not the devil. So anyway, with that said, everybody, thank you all for watching this episode of Party Hard. We're gonna come back and do some more Party Hard. Yeah, I'm gonna divide these into 2 a piece. They'll be knocking them out 2 by 2. And I go back. Yeah, this is how we'll keep it. Oh, we got DLCs too. That's if I have them. I'm not sure. I got it, and I'm not sure. So anyway, with that said, everybody, thank you all for watching, and please continue on watching. And as always, I will see all of you when the next moon rises.